Hello Goodwallers, today I am going to teach you how you can set up your profile on the Goodwall app. So first you need to head on to your Goodwall app. Now you are in the app. The next thing you have to do is to touch on your account. You see it right here. Touch that side. Now you are in your profile, but this profile is not updated and nothing has been set. You see, this is one of my mentees and he's Amara Kamara. Currently has 0 votes, 0 followers. We just created the account with him. So the next thing is to set up his profile. Now you need to touch this setting icon, tap on it, and then you will see under the setting you see edit profile. So touch edit profile. Now you see everything in your profile, everything about you, but as of now it is not fully set. Only the name of my mentee and his surname. His about is not set and his nationality as well is not set. So let us set those things quickly, including the profile picture. So first we'll need to set the about. Type your about. So after you have set your about, the next thing you want to set is your nationality. So for that you have to come here, tap on it. You see the list of countries has appeared. There are 2 ways you can set it. Either you scroll and find your country. For example, my mentee lives in Sierra Leone. You can choose. Choose Sierra Leone here, tap on it. It has been set. Then you save. Or if you don't want to scroll all the way, or maybe you find it difficult to see your country, touch on search for nationality. Touch, then you search for your country. So you see it has appeared. Just tap on it. There you go. Then the next thing you have to do is to save it. Okay, so you see now my about and nationality has been set already. The next thing is your location and the gender. So for the location, he lives in Bo, Sierra Leone. So touch here to find. So Bo City, you see here, it says Bo City, Sierra Leone. So that is where we want. So set it. The next thing is the gender identity. He is a male. After touching the male, you click save. It depends on your gender. If you are female, you choose female. If you prefer not to say, you can come here and touch not to say. But he is a male, so you click save. That is it. You have set the written aspect. Now the other part is to set the picture for the profile. So touch here. The next you have to do is to choose from library, because right now there is no picture set already. If you already had a picture and you want to view it, this is where you come to. If you want to take a new picture at the moment, then you have to touch on take a photo. But for now, we have another picture already in the gallery that we want to use. So tap here. Now find the picture and tap on it. So I advise you to use a very clear picture wherein your face can be identified easily, and just a good selfie or portrait. It will be nice. Yeah, so I'll advise my mentee to change this later. After you select the appropriate picture, touch on the save, you are going to see your picture uploaded. What is wrong? Okay, you see it has already been uploaded. If you want to view it, come again here. See, now this is the picture. So this is what other people will see for you when they click your profile. The next thing is to set your experience. This includes work experience, educational experience, educational level, English level, and skills. So whatever experience you have that is relevant, you can add them. For example, for the work experience, you can add it here, the job title, the function or the field where you have graduates, the company name, and the year you started on to the time you finished, or the time you are supposed to finish if you are still working. And if that is the case, you will have to click I currently work here. That would be nice. Then you have to give a little description of the job you do. But for my mentee, he currently has no job experience or work experience, so he's still studying, and we will have to set his educational experience. So for now, we touch to add. He's in high school, so we touch that. If you are in a university or college, you have to choose university, so we touch the school name. Search for book commercial. So if a school or university is not available here, as you can see, it is not available, then you need to add it. You click on add school. Next, add the location of your school. Tap on the location side and type the name of the place where your school is. And after you see it, you need to tap on it. Mine is Bo City, Sierra Leone, so I will have to type that one. So if your university is among the list, then you have to click on it. Okay, now enter the year you started schooling, and he started in September 2 years ago. September 2023. We touch OK. Sorry, 2023. Yeah, he is expected to graduate, so it should be in July 2025. Okay, then you give a brief description. short description anyways, so you can choose to align the description with what fits you. Then you press save. After saving it, you will see your school appearing here. It is still under review because it is not a recognized school, but it is under review anyways. The next you want to do is to add your educational level here. Touch the plus sign. So he's having high school diploma or below. If you have no formal education, you touch here. If you have high school diploma or below, you touch here. If you have certificates or short course, you touch here. If you have bachelor's degree, you touch here. Postgraduate diploma or whatever, just make sure you choose the appropriate option. So for this case, he has he's currently a candidate for the high school diploma. After touching it, then you save. Okay, the next thing is the English level. So he is upper intermediate because he can speak and understand a variety of topics comfortably in English. Yeah, so he has B2. So you touch that and save. The next thing you can do is to add your skills. Tap there and choose among the skills listed here. Mind you, you can only choose one, so choose your very best. For this mentorship, we'll go with marketing. My mentee loves marketing. Click next. This will take you to the sub category of the skill, so choose the appropriate one. For this tutorial, we are going to choose community management. So after choosing the sub category, tap next. Allow Goodwall all the permissions, and now choose the appropriate picture, or if you want, you can shoot a video or take photo. Choose an appropriate photo or video and wait for it to load. The next thing is to add a brief description about the photo or video in relation to your skill. Make sure to also add hashtag. Tap on one of the hashtags displayed below and continue. Next, tap on location. Add your location, search for the place you live and tap on it. In this case, it is Bo City, Sierra Leone. Finally, tap on the post icon to update your skill. It has been posted as one of your skills. Go back and see your profile. So this is your profile now on the Goodwall app. This is how simple it is to create an astonishing profile. Tap save, and that is it. Your profile is done. Now look how it appears here. Now anybody that opens your bio on the Goodwall app will see all these informations about you, and this makes it easy for somebody to recognize you on the Goodwall platform. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for our next session. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, as our next video is going to be based on exploring channels and navigating through challenges that fits your interest in the Goodwall platform. Stay tuned.